بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
From this appeal that every single Muslim and Muslimah at home, that everyone that knows about Quds, cares about Quds, needs to get involved, needs to bleed today. I mean in giving sadaqah in an extent that you've never given before. These lands have been mentioned in the Quran time upon time upon time. Brothers and sisters, we're going to welcome our next individual, inshallah, from Alhidaya Mosque, Brother Jahir. Let us welcome, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Brother Jahir Hussain, how are you from Alhidaya Croydon?
Alhamdulillah, brother. Alaikum assalam. Jazakumullah khairan for having us on this call today, brothers. This is a very, a crying moment for all of us in Croydon. The latest that I heard, 257 of our brothers and sisters have been killed in Palestine. That includes 66 of them children. 8,538 people have been injured. 30 health facilities have been damaged. Widespread devastation. WHO estimates significant trauma needs in Gaza. Alhidaya Croydon is a mosque and charity based in Croydon. Reached out to generous community and members in the last 24 hours. We work with various charities, both UK as well as international, when it comes to international humanitarian causes. We are with our Ummah when the need arises. We would like to pledge at this very moment 3,200 pounds to this unity appeal and probably more yet today. But we are sending to this charity, to this appeal, on behalf of Alhidaya Croydon, 3,200 pounds at this moment, brothers. I request all of you to donate generously, the listeners and all the other Ummah who is part of this call, make a difference in the rehabilitation efforts. It is our chance to prove we care about our global Ummah. All of us at Alhidaya Croydon, the management, the imams, our teachers and musallis, make dua for a speedy recovery for normalcy in Gaza. Jazakumullah khairan, brothers.
May Allah bless you out there, Brother Jahir, mashallah. Amazing community that you all have there. Is that, just to clarify, is that 3,200 pledge from yourselves today, Alhidaya Croydon, towards the Gaza emergency appeal?
Absolutely correct. The money will be sent and transferred in the next few minutes.
MashaAllah, so that's raised. May Allah bless you, dear Brother Jahir Hussain. May Allah raise your ranks, protect you in your family, protect you in your community. Takbir! Allahu Akbar! Takbir! Allahu Akbar! Jazakumullah khairan. Brothers and sisters, wallahi, everyone needs to be involved today. Everyone needs to help. We have communities like Alhidaya Croydon, Jahir Hussain. We're going to give you salam. We're going to give you a big Jazakumullah khairan from everyone here. And we need many more masajid like yourselves in joining and pioneering and being supporters of justice. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.